So, welcome to this card reveal. So, kung nagpa-grade kayo sa PSA, meron kayong card reveal kapag tapos na lahat-lahat. So, ito yung mga cards na pinag-grade last June. Kasama nila mga kaibigan natin sa TCG, si Boss Axel and Boss Oshi, si Boss Emil. So, yung karamihan dito is for my card. So, this is the grades. Let's reveal it! Today, 2024 Twilight Masquerade 214 Green Ninja EX Special Illustration Rare. So, let's reveal the grade! PSA 10! Let's go, guys! Gem Mint 10, nice! Ito yung pinakamahal na card ngayon dito sa aking collection. I mean, dito sa grading. Next, may Charizard. Dalawang Charizard na sinamit ko, hoping for a 10. So, this is the first Charizard. And he got a 9. So, okay, it's 9. It's like, around 8,000 pa rin. 7 to 8,000. Next, illustration rare. Charizard. And PSA 9 again. PSA 9. Not bad, not bad. Hoping for a 10. Venusaur. So, ano kaya mali dito? I think may scratch doon. Let's see. Pero dapat 10 to eh. Oh my God! PSA 4. What the heck? Kaklak na lang natin yan, guys. And this is for Sir Axel. 2023 Pokemon Mew English 151 200 Blastoise EX is Special Illustration Rare. Your grade is PSA 10. Let's go, Boss Axel. PSA 10. Sabi sa'yo eh, PSA 10. Next, Gold Star. Ito yung mga sinabit ko na lang. Green Ninja Promo, PSA 8. Nice, nice. This is Celebration na pull nung December 2021. So, this is for you. PSA 9. Not bad, not bad. PSA 9. This is for my childhood card. 2000 Pokemon Gym Challenge Misty's Golduck First Edition Holo. PSA 8. Not bad. $72 pa rin. Not bad, not bad. And this is for Boss Oshi. This is yours, Boss Oshi. Your full art Mewtwo V-Star. Yung centering. Mataas masyado. Mataas masyado yung taas kaysa sa baba. And you got PSA 9. Not bad, not bad. Next, your Charizard. May white dun sa baba. Oh, may white. Kung makikita nyo, may white dun sa baba. Kay Boss Oshi din to. PSA 9. Okay. PSA 9. And last, my 2023 One Piece Awakening New Era Monkey D. Luffy First Anniversary English card is PSA 10. So, kung gusto niyo magpa-grade, you can contact me and let's go grading. So, yun lang yung video natin. Hintay na lang natin makadating. So, hindi ako makapaghintay kaya reveal ko na yung grade. So, I hope you enjoy my video. Click the notification bell to keep you updated and don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace, peace.